The Pioneer DEH-S1200UB comes with a wireless remote control that gives you the ability to operate nearly every function of the in-dash receiver from the wireless remote. Before you get started with the remote control, be sure to pull this plastic tab out of the battery compartment. If you ever have trouble with the remote control, be sure to check the battery compartment to see if you need a new battery. Now this is an infrared type of remote control. That means you have to point it at the in-dash receiver to make it operate, and you can operate nearly every function of the in-dash receiver with it. You can get into the audio menu and move through the audio menu. You can get into the function menu, change sources, and change the volume, and mute the system.